Me and Peter going to this car show. No, we're not. No, we're not. We're gonna go to a car show. There should be a famous person here from a TV show, and he has a pretty good YouTube channel, I guess. All right, let's go find him. See a lot of people way down there. Oh dang, I can see really far with my phone. There's a lot of people down there. We just gotta admit, we gotta make it. I think that's him though.
Is there gonna be one of those people that's like paparazzi? You never paid
This car. Sweet. We gotta. We're gonna go look through here some more. I'm gonna definitely make some of these cars into edits. Oh, I hear one, Peter. I hear a car.
I think it's a spoiler. Let's go.
A spoiler? Oh! Dang. It's a Tesla. I got a Tesla. It's funny. It looks cool. I'm not gonna lie. It does look kind of neato, but
Make it go like 0 to 60.
there's a 2-foot spoiler. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, I'm still zooming in. Look at all of these. So, how long have you had the car?
I don't know, about 3 years, 3.5 years.
Doors like open up like
No,
sideways or
the
just
Gallardo,
swing
the
out?
Hurricane, they have normal doors.
Okay.
So well, most kids know now that they have video games. But
Yeah.
like a little kid, open the door, and I do that, and they look at you like, what? but it's a Lamborghini, inexpensive Lamborghini. So in 2008, as the economy Lamborghini, this was only $240,000.
Oh really?
In 2008.
Cheapers.
Yeah. But they're smaller, they're more compact, they're just a more user-friendly car. I sat in an Aventador, it was like a $350,000 car, I hated it. You're down in a little hole, it's big, it's wide, it's long, you can't see out of it, and it's just like, I couldn't stand it.
Right here. There it is. Dang, I was not expecting to see one of them. That's really cool. We're gonna keep looking. Nope. Have some food and water. Me and Peter were talking to that guy with the Lamborghini, and someone comes up while we were talking to him and offered him $150,000 for it. Right then and there, he was just like, I got $150,000 for it. He was like, no. He didn't really even hesitate. He was like, no. It's like, this is a nice car. It was funny.
It was 1 out of 1 in Matt Brown. Lamborghini. I don't know what This is nicer than that.
Thank you for Terry Kotek is face built up over tobacco warehouse.
Fire extinguisher. NASCAR. Why is there a NASCAR here? This one's got a supercharger on it, so it goes a wing, you know. That's what that was. So that's the noise it makes. That's the noise it makes. Oh, look at that one drive. It looks like a vape. Dang, it is so empty. It looks so open. Look at all the space.
This is like lifting bottles. Sounds what? Eddie Hall?
Eddie Hall? Dang. Hellcat. No.
This thing's turning like 700.
Super
More
short.
fun fact for you.
Annual cost, you have to pay it.
That's what you're getting, bro.
This is $73,000.
Holy crap, this is so cute.
Look at the Corvette. Corvette. Those are two newer ones. It's got Batman. Look at Batman. I know it's the older one. Oh, it's got carbon fiber lip on it.
This is the one that drove past this. I thought it was a Ferrari. This is the one that drove past our house.
Dang. The 2-foot spoiler. We found it. The Batmobile. We found the Batmobile. We got the Batmobile right here. We got this one right here. This one looks pretty dope. It looks like that one's Batmobile. It's got Batman on the back of it. Pretty neato. Not gonna lie. I don't know if you can hear me. This music's loud.
The gray one.
Yeah, there's a gray one over there. Yeah, it is very cramped. Little Mini Cooper. Dude, look at the seatbelts.
They got racing. They got a sail. Oh my god.
That is beautiful.
It's so cool.
Oh, it's. Oh my gosh, look how small it is. Oh, V8. Look at the yellow car.
It's another Dodge Challenger. It's got a spoiler.
Don't forget,
This is
one
Dodge.
of our sponsors here is the Go Car Specialty. 20% off of all home decor. That is just today.
He's right there. Camera crew. There he is. Oh, look at the camera crew. Camera crew. There he goes. Wonder if I can get a picture. Should I ask for a picture?
Yeah.
He's got a picture with Dennis Gage. Yup. Oh, they got a mirror under there. Mirror under there so you can see under there. Look at that. Wow. I got a picture with Dennis Gage. He's right over there. You can see him. He gave me a sticker. He gave me a sticker. Anyway, that's cool. I got a picture. Oh my gosh, there's a drone. There's a drone. Oh, holy crap. I feel really warm. He was like following us as he was talking. Wide body. Oh, free. Ooh, I actually want one. Dang. Oh, the drone's flying. Just wave at the drone.
That's awesome.
Wait.
Somebody did a really good paint job.
Oh, it's like the old
Car. And then it's got like the paint dripping over it.
His camera crew. They look so professional. Well, they are, but like. That is. That's surprisingly in good condition. Dude, I want to ride in that. That looks fun. I want it. Oh, look at that. He's probably coming here.
You gotta get in there things soon.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That was that card that. That's sweet.
Their hot dog food.
Minivan. And NASCAR again.
We gotta find that Dodge. Oh, here it is. I want to ask him about it. It's pretty clear.